Hi, my name is Mario Panicia. I'm here at the Commercial UAV show, and we're from Anello Photonics. What we've done is we've created, remember, the world's smallest optical gyro, which we call SiFog, Silicon Photonics Optical Gyro. It's essentially a fiber gyro on a chip. So we've taken this concept of high precision fiber gyros, put it into a small form factor, and now we put it into systems. And the key is there's this thing called GPS today, which everyone's starting to realize the world is dependent on GPS, but GPS isn't going to be around. And so we've created solutions that operate, that allows navigation in GPS denied, spoofed, or jammed environments. And we do across land, air, and sea. So we've had products that we've been shipping for a while. This is in the land, in the agriculture, farming, construction. This is called our GNSS nest. This is for robots. We said this without the GPS. This is an IMU Plus. We talked about this last year. This is the drone show. So you put 3 SiFogs in a cube. And this is the world's smallest IMU. We put this, we're now compatible with Ardu Pilot and PX4, which is from the Cube. We put these in, and now we're flying in multiple platforms. Think about this, we're flying on a drone, no GPS, with like 1 to 2% error at the end of distance traveled after hours of flight, hundreds of nautical miles. And so we have a low-cost, high-performance solution that can be retrofitted into multi-copters, fixed-wing, air-to-ship resupply, drone delivery, and this is the X3. What's new, we've launched this product. This is now the Maritime. We call it the Maritime product. Again, 3 SiFogs for 3 axes. So drones are flying in the air and you have to take out wind when you lose GPS. Here, same thing, you're bobbing around in the water. There's this big push now for unmanned surface vessels, or USVs. This is a sealed unit, salt spray IP68, 2 GPS, dual unit. This now we've launched in January, and we're way oversubscribed. We are shipping this and testing with various customers across various platforms. We've tested this out in the Middle East. We have customers testing in the Pacific, and we've tested in the Midwest, and we've also tested on the West Coast. And this is now the new product. I know it's a drone show, but for us, it's still based on the SiFog. So again, think about this. Fiber optic gyro performance that fits in the palm of your hand. And that's where we're here. So if you need GPS-denied navigation solutions, Anello is your customer. If you have solutions, we're also working on the future stuff. The next thing is land, air, sea. What's left? Man portable. So low power, battery operated. In the future, we're going to launch a handheld device that you can navigate anytime, any place, with or without GPS, all based on SiFog. Thanks everybody. Visit our website, AnelloPhotonics.com, and we'd love to work with you. Thank you.